Hey, it's Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the sensor module in this Fisher Paykel dryer. We'll need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. The sensor module is responsible for the overall control of the dryer. It controls the lid lock, drum door actuator, and senses the drum position and speed. It also measures the exhaust temperature and dampness of the clothes. If this part fails, any of these functions may not work properly. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dryer. With the lid open, start by removing these two plastic covers using a flat blade screwdriver. Ours is missing one, so we only have one to remove. Insert the screwdriver and pry up the cap. Now remove the two Phillips screws. Then close the lid and tape it closed. Now tip the top up and disconnect this electrical connector. To remove, wiggle it back and forth till it releases. Then pull the wire out of the retainer. Now press down on this tab while pushing out to release the top. Then repeat the same over here. With it released, set the top aside. Now disconnect these three electrical connectors by grabbing, wiggling, and lifting up. It may be a little tricky. Next, depress the two locking tabs, there's one here and one on the back side, to lift the sensor module out of place. Make sure to be careful about the wires and the retainers. If you have a bad sensor module and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the module, start by inserting the wires for the retainers. Align and snap in place. Then reconnect the electrical connectors. Next, reinstall the top by inserting the tabs through the openings, pulling to make sure they lock in place. Then reconnect the electrical connector. Also make sure this wire is in the retainer. Then close the lid and make sure it's seated back in place. Then remove the tape, open the lid, and reinstall the two Phillips screws along with the screw cover. Now that we have everything put back together, test the dryer out to make sure everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.